Hey, what's up, Ankr holders? Ankr holders, this is very urgent update for all Ankr holders. You know why this is a very urgent? Because holders doing a big mistake in the start of this month, my brother. So if you are doing this mistake, they just only you cannot lose, my brother. All holders are lost, my brother. So try to understand. Don't do this mistake and be safe from the loss, my brother. If you are doing this mistake, exactly you are lost, my brother. So before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. This time, if you can say, my brother, the last 7 day chart is on the screen. The last 7 days, they change occur will be positive. So it's mean to they cannot fail us down in the last 1 month, in the last 7 days. And this week, every card frequency is moving upward like a rocket, because you can see here, my brother, especially in this time, you can see every card frequency fell us down. May 28, May 29, every card frequency, all card from market is very badly fell us down. But don't see this short fails. You know why they fails down, especially short term investor doing with this mistake to this starting selling at this start of month. So if you're starting selling, then definitely they fails down and they cannot give you a profit. So I think this is very big mistake to you are doing. Don't sell it, don't sell it, my friend. In this time you can see here, when holders see the short fail, absolutely they fails down. And absolutely at the end of month, especially every graphic is moving upward like a rocket, but definitely they fails down. So I think this is very bad news for all of you. But at the start of month, every graphic is fails down because holders starting selling and they take a very good profit. But definitely holders, they cannot sell it at this time. So I think this is very good news for all of you, my brother. And remember, it's not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my friend, the price will be changed, going to be positive in upcoming time. So you need to hold. Absolutely, you can see they're starting moving upward just only in the last 1 hour. Chart is on the screen. You will see here minus 1.16%, they moving upwards. So it's a very good news for all of you. Today jump hour by hour, minute by minute and second by second, they moving upward, and the price is increased now very fastly. So Ankr holders, don't do this mistake. Don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now in upcoming time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.